Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Today we are going to start with our GK book, that is New General Knowledge Update. Lesson 19, Meaning of Flowers. Let us start with the introduction. Flowers have wonderful colors. Different flowers symbolize different gestures. Since early childhood, everyone is attracted to one unique part of the plants. This part of the plant determines its beauty. Not just humans, even animals and insects are drawn to the flowers of plants. Flowers act as identifiers, and we can instantly name the plant on the basis of its flower. Flowers exist in different shapes and sizes, different colors, and in some plants the flower does not exist. So the flower is the most prominent part of a plant. So students, name some flowers. Tulip, crocus, daffodil, daisy, freesia, orchid, hyacinth, chrysanthemum, yellow rose. Now before we start with the lesson, let's discuss difficult word meanings. Gesture, meaning signal. Wonderful, extremely good. Symbolize, to represent something. Now let me explain all these flowers one by one. So children, at the end of today's topic, you will be able to know about what does each flower symbolize. Number 1 is tulip. The meaning of tulip is generally the flower of love and luck. Like many flowers, different colors of tulips also often carry their own significance. Red tulips are most strongly associated with true love, while purple symbolizes royalty. White tulips are used to claim worthiness or to send a message of forgiveness. Next is crocus. The crocus flower is a symbol of gladness, cheerfulness, and joy. And it is a beautiful piece of decoration in your home or a beautiful gift for someone who needs a little bit of happiness in their life. Daffodil flower. Daffodil flowers signify respect. Daffodils have been used in art and literature as a symbol of vanity. More commonly, the daffodil symbolizes new beginnings because they are the first spring flowers to bloom right after the winter frost. Daisy flower. Daisy flowers symbolize innocence and purity. This flower also represents spirituality and therefore is a perfect gift for everyone who is looking for a perfect gift for newborn or parents of a newborn. Next is freesia flower. Freesia flower generally include friendship, trust, thoughtfulness and innocence. They are a popular gift for friends and family, as are a popular flower among various cultures. Orchid flower. Orchid flower means a plant with beautifully colored flowers that have an unusual shape. Orchid flowers symbolize thoughtfulness. They are considered as the most beautiful flowering plants for the beauty of the flowers, variety of fragrance, brilliance in color, unusual shapes, variation in form, and attractive growth habits. Next is hyacinth flower. Hyacinth flower is an emblem of forgiveness, means please forgive me, or means to say that I am sorry. To tell someone that you are sorrowful over an event and wish for them to forgive you. Next is chrysanthemum flower. Chrysanthemum flowers symbolize you are a wonderful friend. They are the November birth flower. the 13th wedding anniversary flower and the official flower of the city of Chicago. In Japan, there is event a festival of happiness to celebrate this flower each year. Yellow rose. Yellow rose represents friendship, joy and caring. The yellow rose is the perfect rose for a close friend or someone who needs a little cheering up, since these blooms are sure to brighten anyone's day. Students, I hope you have understood this chapter. Solve the exercises and learn it. Thank you.